welcome to this little weekend vlog. So today is Saturday. I have a little bit of a meet and greet with NYX Cosmetics. I was so nervous, but it just ends up being so much fun, and I thought I would just do a little vlog and show you guys what I get up to this weekend. We're gonna have some lunch later today, but I hope you enjoy this vlog. Jada, thank you so much for coming.
Cool. Maar er is niet meer van. Gaan we?
Try please. I just came out of the salon. I go to Posh and Cozy Boutique. I will link the location down below, so if you are in the Joburg area you can always go to them. I also have like a discount code with them, so I will link that with the little location that I link for you guys. But we just did like a little silver shampoo almost, and then we just did a little pony technique. So Megan tied the pony on top of my head, and then she used this new little curling tongue thing. It was so cool, and it speeds up the curling process so much, and I want to see how long these curls last. But yeah, it is Friday today, so I think I need to go home now. I need to do a couple of things, and then Bren and I will probably do something tonight because it's Friday, of course. I need to get ready. I need to do a little freshen up of my nails. I need to do some decor things. I want to do some organization. So I think let's head home, and then I will just bring you guys along with whatever I am doing. So I just got home, you guys. This place is such a mess, and I feel like I just did a vlog the other day cleaning this place, and it's already a mess again, but it's okay. I'm gonna tidy up a little bit now and show you some organization things that I got yesterday. My hair is so bouncy. I really like the way my hair came out today. But I just got home. I wanted to show you guys some things that I got yesterday. So yesterday I went little decor and plant shopping with my mom. She took me to some amazing places, so I haven't taken that out of the bags yet. I have it on the counter over here, so I thought I would show you guys what I got yesterday. I wanted to get some organization things just for, you know, the pantry cupboard, so I'll show you quickly what I got, and then I also want to do my nails quickly as well. Actually, I just want to take my jacket off first because it is actually so hot today. You wouldn't believe, you guys. Okay, so first I got these little containers. I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to plan this, but I just got a bunch of different sizes. So I got those. I got some paper towels. Whoop. And then I also got, I got toilet paper as well because I hate running out of toilet paper, you guys. It's so embarrassing to run out of toilet paper, so we always make sure that we are stocked. And then I got more hangers because we always run out of hangers. This is what I still need to iron. You guys, wish me luck. It's like overflowing, but it's okay. I'm getting the hang of the whole washing clothes thing. And then I got one more of these containers. This was just a different size. I got some foil, and then I wanted to get these clear, what do you call it? It's just like little dispenser bottles, and I wanted to do the dishwashing liquid and maybe some Stay Soft or something, just so that it's easier to use, other than just, I don't know, I wanted to keep this in the, I don't know, you guys, I don't know what I'm doing with this, but it was so cheap. It was literally like 10 rand, so not even like $1. And then I think this was my mom. She wanted to have hot chocolate with me the next time she comes, so I'm going to keep that for her. And then we struggled to keep the shower glass clean, and I saw this little thing, so that's pretty handy. I got this cute little grater, like a cheese grater, and it has a little container at the bottom, so you can kind of catch everything that you grate. And then I don't like washing dishes because I don't like putting my hands in the water and like touching everything. So I got this little thing, and it's pink and white, so it's pretty. I think that's all I got. I told you we don't like running out of toilet paper, so I'm gonna stack all of them in here. So this isn't the prettiest cupboard, but I mean, it's right under the sink. I still need to wash those dishes. Gross. So I have all of the toilet paper, dishwashing liquid, and then you guys, I'm still struggling to organize all of this, but I got my inspiration from this container that I got recently. So it's exactly the same as these ones that I got. So they all look the same, so I just wanted to kind of start buying some and start organizing, and then I'll go back to get more. These ones are from Western Pack, for those of you wondering. Westpac Lifestyle, you get so many different Westpac stores, so if you don't know where to find, just leave me a comment and then I will reply to you in the comment section. Brain also got me some ingredients for a banana bread, because we have some bananas and they ripened way too quickly, so I want to make a big banana bread. So I sent him a list of ingredients. So I wanted to make like a high fiber banana bread, so I got that, and I wanted to do some dark chocolate in it, but my mom was here yesterday and we like polished half of the damn slab, so that just happened. And then got some baking soda, got a little banana bread tin, some vanilla essence. So I think I'm going to assemble, like, put all of the ingredients together. I'll show you guys what I put in the banana bread and you know, the little recipe that I use. But I just wanted to make a quick little banana bread so I can pop that into the oven while I do a little bit of organization. It is 12:30 now, so I better get cracking because I still want to tidy up a little bit. Brennan and I are probably going to clean tonight because I need to be at a shoot tomorrow morning early, but I will tell you guys all about that a little bit later. So let's get cracking with this banana bread. So I apologize for everything not being super neat. I wanted to show you quickly how I did it. So I have this one. I put some rice and pasta and couscous and just things like that in there. I've got some spices in this little one, and this one has like our coffee sweetener, honey, hot chocolate, tea, and all of that. And then in this one we have some sauces. We don't use a lot of sauces, but I mean, we have tomato sauce, we have sweet chili. I'm gonna put this one in front of this one, and we've got some oils and stuff, and just bovril because I really like bovril. And then in this one I put things that I didn't use too much. So this is my new muesli. I don't have breakfast all that often, but when I do, I obviously like to have things like this. So I like to have things like this on hand. And then I've got some Provitas. This is the flour that I just used, Brain cereal, the baking soda, and then we have some canned food in there. Okay, so we do have some more things in this little food cupboard. We've been putting all of our food in this little cupboard just so that it's easier to access, but now that I have some organization baskets, it's going to be a lot easier to know where everything is. So I'm just going to put all of this where it belongs. I definitely will be going back to Lifestyle to pick up more of those little organization baskets, because I actually really like that system, and I honestly thought I had way less things than I actually do, because all of them are like full, and I thought that I bought way too much. So I think that's kind of like the thing with organization and decor. It's definitely a trial and error, and you have to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. I am playing with my hair because I'm just so obsessed. I need to brush it quickly. But I am going to cut my banana bread in half, and then I'm going to take half of it to my dad and my grannies. So I think they will really love that. So I'm going to do that quickly, and then I'm going to head over to them and surprise them with a little chocolate banana bread.
We did something so much fun today.
Yay!
So fun.